Hello everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can download Google Chrome for your Windows 10 and Windows 11 and how we can set the best settings for your Google Chrome browser. Okay, so let's get started, and we can do that by opening our favorite browser that's installed in our device. So let's open a browser, and here in the URL section please type google.com/Chrome and then hit enter. And once the loading is done, you will see the download Chrome option here. So if you want to download it, please click on this button here, and if you already have it, just click on this I want to update Chrome button. Okay, so once the downloading is done, please open the file and install it in your device. And once installed, you can now open your Google Chrome browser, and let's set the settings that is best for your browser. Okay, so in here you will see a three-dot button in the upper right section or upper right corner. Please click on it and then go to settings options. And here in the settings you will see from the left pane all the settings or options that you can have. So let's look for privacy or on startup options. So let's look for on startup options. Startup options. Okay, that one. On startup options. So here we can choose open the new tab page, or we can also choose continue where you left off. And if you want to have a specific site or a specific page or set of pages in your browser once you open it, you can also choose it. And you can also assign for or add a new page that you want for your browser. For example, you want google.com, you can also enter it and then click on add. And once you open your browser or Google Chrome browser, it will open up directly the google.com site. Okay, so once done with this, we can now proceed with another one. So we can go to privacy and security options, and in here we need to click on or go with security, and under safe browsing options, please make sure that you either choose enhanced protection or standard protection. So these are the only two that are only recommended. Please do not select no protection because this is not recommended. And let's scroll down, and also please make sure that you turned on this warn you if a password was compromised in a data breach. Please make sure that this is turned on, as well as the use secure DNS. So these options here is the best way to protect your device from any malware from your browser. So make sure these are turned on, as well as this one. Okay, so I hope you follow the steps completely, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.